kids travel expert at Juneau. We choose Goldbelt Tram as our excursion. And once they scan your ticket, they give you a stamp on your wrist. As we're on the tram moving up, you can see Holland America and NCL right there. There's actually 2 Holland America on that day. The tram is huge. It even fits a wheelchair, and once we're on top, we're at the observation deck that's 1,800 feet above the ground. When you look down, you can see the cruise ship and how calm the water is. Amazing view. And here's another tram coming up. And once you walk past the observation deck, that's the souvenir shop, gift shop, where you can grab all your souvenir from Juneau. A level down is a cafe area with a theater that show you history of Juneau. And here's another observation deck at this level, and you can see the glacier from here. You can kind of see the glacier at the background there. And they do have a lot of stairs around this observation deck. See this one with a fedora head. As we walk outside, you can look up and see the observation deck. That's where we first landed. And that's our cruise ship. And they have another little gift shop here with totems, like a lot of cute totems and sweaters, sweatshirts. And it was cold that day, and they do have a heater in here, and they sell snacks. So here you can see a totem at the back of the gift shop. That's another one. And here you can measure your wingspan, and I believe both boys were at 5 feet. We spent a good 1.5 to 2 hours there with the movie, and by the time we get down, you can see the lights on the cruise ship lit up. And it was a nice excursion. It was actually cheaper when I bought it from the NCL instead of like buying it direct from the Goldbelt Tram, because with the package that they gave me, they take $50 off. So for 4 of us, it only cost like $100. But if you get it direct, it will cost you like close to $150. And you can see here people are lining up to get on the shuttle to get back on the cruise ship. Back where we start. I hope you enjoy the video.